Understanding Best Price Guarantee, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and very common phrase that you might have seen while shopping online or booking hotels: best price guarantee. This phrase is not just a marketing tool but also a promise to consumers. Let's dive into what it really means and how you can benefit from it. Stay with us to become more confident in navigating English phrases in real-life scenarios. The phrase, best price guarantee, is a commitment from businesses, assuring you that they offer the lowest price available for their product or service. If you find a lower price for the same product or service elsewhere, the company promises to match the lower price or even beat it. This guarantee is used to build trust with customers and encourage them to buy without worrying about finding a better deal later. Best price guarantee is commonly seen in online shopping sites. Retailers promise that their prices are the lowest you'll find. Hotel and flight bookings. Travel websites assure you of the best deals for your trips. Service providers. From internet services to insurance, companies claim to offer the best rates. Understanding this phrase helps you know that the company is trying to offer you a good deal and assure you of the value you're getting. To take advantage of a best price guarantee, you need to 1. Keep proof of the lower price. This could be a screenshot or a link to the page where you found the better offer. 2. Check the terms and conditions. Some guarantees require the comparison to be for the exact same product or service, including specifications, date, and location. 3. Contact the company. Reach out to the company offering the guarantee to claim your better price. They will guide you through the process. This section equips you with practical steps to ensure you always get the best deal available. We hope this video has shed light on what best price guarantee means and how you can use it to your advantage. Remember, this guarantee is a way for companies to show confidence in their pricing and to give you peace of mind while shopping. Don't hesitate to look for and ask about these guarantees to save money and get the best deals. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more useful English phrases and how they apply in everyday situations.